Say hey guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Mama's channel.
Welcome to Mommy's channel.
What's your name?
Rain.
My name is Rain.
Rain.
You like Mama's makeup?
Yep.
I like your hair.
No.
I like your hair.
No.
Do you like your braids?
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, say toodles.
Toodles.
Toodles. Bye-bye. So for this look, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. I've been wanting this palette for so long and I finally got my hands on it. So I'm really excited to show you guys how I created this look using this James Charles palette. If you hear a little munchkin in the background, that is my youngest daughter. She really wants to be a part of my tutorial. Yes? So I'm using the color code James and I'm just going to be using that as a transition color. And at first I just wanted to build it up because I wasn't sure how pigmented it was going to be. But let me tell you guys, it is super pigmented. Next, I'm just going in and adding the color Boutique, and I'm just adding that right under that orange color that we just added. Like I said before, just build up this color because the palette is super pigmented, so you don't want to add a whole bunch and then can't get it off. So definitely, if you're new to all this, just build up the color slowly. So I'm going back in with code James and I'm just making the color a little bit more intense and just trying to blend out the darker color that we just added. So I did go back in with Boutique and I just kind of darkened up the color and made it a little bit more deep. So next I'm just going to cut my crease and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. And I'm using my Morphe M170 brush to cut my crease. So you really want to just start with a little bit on your brush, and this process is really slow and tedious. You really want to take your time. Don't worry, don't rush, just literally take your time and carve out this crease, you guys. A lot of people use bigger brushes, but I just find that this brush really helps me to, as I said, take my time and be a little bit more precise because I'm still kind of learning how to perfect my cut creases. So I'm really loving this brush to yeah, just take my time with it. So next I'm just adding the color Playground to that portion that I cut, and first I started adding it with this flat brush, but I realized that didn't work, so you will see me adding the color with a more fluffy brush. Just as a side note, you can use concealer, as you guys obviously saw that I did, but it's probably best that you use a white base like the NYX Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil because I really had to pack on the color. so that it was vibrant enough, well, I guess to my liking. So the next time I definitely do something like this, I will be using a white base. So next I'm adding the color Escape. It's a really cute purple color. I really had to pack this on because there was a huge line of demarcation. It wasn't blending the best with the blue color, and that's just because of the way that I cut my crease. But eventually I found a way for it all to blend out together. So I did go back in with Playground just to help blend the blue and purple colors together. So here's me going back in with the color Boutique and a little bit of Love That, just to deepen up my crease a little bit and help to blend the colors all together. I did my liner off camera and I used the CoverGirl Liquid Eyeliner in black. So I did go back in and add the color Cola on top of Escape, the purple color, because I found that the blue and the purple wasn't blending out the best together, and I just wanted it to look a little bit more seamless. So next I'm just adding this really cute shimmery blue color, and the name is called Hello, and I'm just adding that to the inner corners of my eye. So I'm just prepping my eyelashes using Forever Smokey Extravagant mascara. And then I'm just gonna add my lashes off camera because my lashes are so curly, you guys, and it's still a challenge for me to get them on my lash line as close as possible. So it would definitely be a struggle to put them on camera. I didn't want this video to be super long, guys, so I did my foundation and all of that off camera, and now I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my under eye eyeshadow kind of look. But yeah, it's super easy. Basically, I'm just doing the exact same steps that I did on top. So first I'm going to add the orange, and then the darker color pink, and then I'm going to add the lighter color, and finish it off with the blue and just add more inner corner highlight. So this is the final look, you guys. I'm so happy how it turned out finally. At first I was ready to cancel and just quit, but I stuck it through and this is how it's looking. I'm hoping that it translates on camera the way it does look in person. But yeah, let me know if you guys like it in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, of course. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles!